In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export board automation as a CSV file in Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects, keeping track of tasks, or simply wanting to document your automation processes, exporting this information can be extremely helpful for organization and analysis. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to head over to your board on Monday.com. Once you're on your selected board, the next focus should be on navigating to the automation section. Looking at the top of the board's interface, you'll find a button labeled Automate. This area is essentially the control center for all automation processes you have set up within the board. Clicking on this will open a window displaying all your current automation workflows and options available for configurations. Now, once you're in the automation window, you're going to look for an export icon. This is typically represented by an arrow pointing upwards or sometimes as a simple, universally recognized export icon. It's important to spot this icon because it holds the key to exporting your information out of Monday.com and into a CSV format. Once you locate it, simply click on it. This is where things get straightforward. Clicking on the export icon will initiate a download process, generating a CSV file that encompasses the automation data from your board. This step might take a moment, depending on how much data there is, so patience can be important here. The CSV format is a versatile type of file that's invaluable for importing your data into various programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other application that supports data analysis and visualization. After the download is complete, check your computer's downloads folder, as the file will automatically be saved there unless specified otherwise. If you utilize specific applications for these files, opening it with one of them can help you further analyze and manage your automation data. A handy tip to remember is to always validate the information in your CSV file once you open it, ensuring completeness and accuracy. Since technology can sometimes work in unexpected ways, double-checking ensures that the file content matches your expectations and no data, especially crucial parts, is missing. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your board automation as a CSV file in Monday.com. As you continue working on Monday.com, you'll find this process helpful whenever you need a quick, efficient way to review or share your automation workflows with others, or analyze data outside the platform. Feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has made your experience with Monday.com a little